Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or will be discussing with you, best Medicare Advantage plans. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, let's shake things up and look at these top Medicare Advantage plans from a different angle. Now, starting with the massive national heavyweights and moving down to the hyper-local favorites. Now, just a quick refresher here. Medicare Advantage Part C is the private all-in-one alternative that bundles your hospital, medical, and drug coverage together with extra perks like dental, vision, and gym memberships. Now, the government scores these private plans on a 1 to 5 star scale every year. And here's how the top 5 stack up as of right now. And basically, what's the first one? So, first is we have United Healthcare. Now, we have to start with the biggest network in the game. So United Healthcare, backed by AARP, they capture multiple perfect 5-star ratings for 2026. Now they are incredibly popular because they give you unmatched plan flexibility to fit almost any budget. Now alongside really strong prescription coverage right now, the main thing to watch out for is that their benefits vary quite a bit by county. Now, so you want to verify your favorite local hospitals are fully in their system. Now, next is we have Aetna. Now, next in line is the major national brand Aetna here, which is part of the CVS Health family. Now, while they didn't grab as many individual 5 stars scores as some competitors currently this year, so a massive 81% of their members are sitting in highly reliable 4 stars or 4.5 star plans. Now, they are widely available, very affordable, and their deep integration with CVS pharmacies makes managing and picking up your prescriptions a breeze. Now, next is we have Elevance Health. Now, running out the massive national providers is Elevance Health. Now, which you probably know by its former name. Now, Anthem, several of their plans earn top 5 stars marks this year due to their balanced premiums. Now, deep provider networks and helpful tools like 24/7 nurse hotlines. Now, a standout feature for them is their Medicare Y Mucho Mas plans here, which provides exceptional dedicated communication and accessibility features tailored for bilingual communities. Next is we have Devoted Health. Now, stepping away from the old school corporate giants here, Devoted Health is a newer player that is absolutely dominating member satisfaction. Now, they managed to secure a perfect 5-star contract across Florida, North Carolina, and Texas. So people love them because they focus heavily on high-tech personalized customer service and low primary care co-pays. Now, the only minor downside is that because they are still growing, their local networks can be a little tighter than the legacy national brands here. Now, and next is we have Independent Health. Now, we have Independent Health here, so they aren't a household name across the country because they are a smaller regional provider serving areas primarily in New York. But they locked in a flawless 5-star rating. So they excel at giving seniors a warm, deeply personal touch and top-tier customer service that massive national corporations just can't duplicate here. So, no matter how you look at him, the golden rule right now is to always, or the golden rule as always here, is the highest rated plans or on paper means nothing if your favorite doctor isn't or doesn't accept your specific medication, your plan here. So in this case, your specific medication cost or may cost a fortune on their formulary tier list. Always check a plan's annual out-of-pocket maximum so you know your worst-case financial scenario. And remember that while the main open enrollment window runs from October 15 to December 7th, you also get a special mid-year window from December 8 to November 13 to switch into a top-tier 5-star plan if one becomes available in your zip code. But again, remember, always check if a specific plan actually is available in your area before deciding moving to them. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.